Okay, so this little box looks small, but I've been using it to charge my camera gear, my cell phone, my laptop, my iPad. Today I'm breaking down what the VOLIX P300 can actually power. You can use it at home during a power outage, which is great. No more candles. Instead of talking to you about technical specs and watts and amps and volts and nuts and bolts, I'm just gonna talk to you about time. How long do certain devices last charge with this portable power station, because that's what you can actually relate to. For my cell phone, which is a Samsung S23, I was able to fully charge my phone from dead or nearly dead about 15 to 20 times. For tablets or iPads, you can expect about 4 to 6 full charges. Now, charging a laptop, this is where it really surprised me. The USB-C port, like if your laptop lasts you usually about 6 to 8 hours, using this device to recharge your battery, you will get about an extra 3 to 4 hours of battery life on your laptop. Here's some other things I tested that you can realistically expect. So if you have a power outage, but your internet provider is still powering their main hub site, you can still get about 4 to 6 hours of internet on your cable modem router. You can get about 3 to 4 hours on your TV, and LED lights, if you just want your place to still be powered pretty, 10 plus hours. Now, of course, if you have all of those things plugged in at the same time, then it's gonna be less than that, but individually, kind of that's what you're looking at. You can plug things into this device and it'll tell you how much time is remaining based on what you have plugged in. I'm gonna plug in my CPAP so you can kind of see how long that would actually run my CPAP for, which is really important if you're going camping and you don't want to get kicked out by your friends from your loud snoring. Now, this isn't meant for heavy stuff like kettles, hair dryers, microwaves. This is more about electronics and not appliances that heat up. That is not what this is for. Now, one of my favorite parts is this thing charges fast. And when I say fast, within an hour, on a regular plug-in, it will fully charge this device. You can also charge it in your car with a car charger. You can also charge it solar. There's solar attachment that they provide. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like, but I can't really show you how well that works right now because where I live in Canada right now, this is what I'm dealing with. So not a lot of sunlight, and it's just snow all day and clouds all day, and so we'll do another recap maybe in the summer when I can get some more actual proper sunlight and show you guys what you can expect out of that. I do want to show you guys though what the solar device looks like. So it comes with all the attachments that you need to plug into this thing to charge it with solar. I'm not going to plug it in and show you guys all that because there's no point right now, but I do want to show you guys what the actual solar panel looks like. So this is what it looks like. You kind of want to set it at an angle facing the sun when there's a lot of sun, and that's kind of all I know right now, and we'll talk more about it in the summer. In terms of noise and heat, it's very, very quiet. Most of the time it's completely silent unless it's under heavy draw, and even then it's really not that loud, and it never got hot during any of my tests. This is perfect for you if you're camping, you're going on a road trip, you're creating content, and you're like an outdoor type person and your batteries are constantly dying. It's nice to have something that can charge things for you on the fly, so you don't have to go home, charge things up, and then, you know, do this whole thing all over again. If you ever kind of thought, I just need something to run my essentials in case you know, things go awry, then this is what you need. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.